7, okay, and then we pass the SIM card. Here's the SIM card, and show another link, show the G8 Plus model. The next one, guys, I want to show it is the G8 Plus model. The G8 Plus model is also a newly designed 4G POC radios. This is the G8 Plus 4G POC radios. Okay, the G8 Plus model, it is a dual band. It works under global-ptt. It also works under the UHF analog, and we can set the UHF frequency on this walkie-talkie. Okay, we can set the UHF frequency on it. The frequency we set here is between 350 to 520, 350 MHz to 520 MHz. We can set 490, 12500, okay, and then 519, 12500. Yeah, that is the frequency we can set on it. The frequency range is 350 to 520, and the distance range is less than 20 kilometers under the UHF analog mode. But under the global-ptt mode, it is worldwide range. We can achieve the worldwide distance call with the team members in the same group, in the same company. Okay, press the PTT button, we can send the message out. Button 1 and button 2. Press PTT button 2, we can send a message out under the global-ptt mode. And you can check there are 2 antennas. The long antenna is UHF antenna. The short antenna is 4G antenna. Under the UHF analog mode, here this part is UHF analog. We can achieve a short distance call 20 kilometers. And under the 4G mode, there's no distance limit. Okay, it can work worldwide. And now, guys, 帮我拼一下 G8 Plus. And now, guys, I'm just showing the G8 Plus model. The G8 Plus model is newly designed 4G POC radios. The price for 4 radios with 4 SIM card is $820. For 2 radios with 2 SIM card is $420. Okay, the more you order, the price it will be lower. If you buy 5, I can give you 1 for free as a live gift. Okay, buy 5, free 1. That is a live promo. And I can also offer you the head mic. We offer head mic for those walkie-talkie. This is the head mic. This is the head mic. Okay, we offer you this head mic in the live for free. You watch the live and you order the radio during we are doing the live, we will give you this head mic. Hello, welcome new friend. Welcome to come to this global-ptt official live. If you order the radios in the live, I can offer you this head mic as a free gift, which was $35. Okay, I'm going to pass it and go on to show this G8 Plus model. The G8 Plus model, it is a global band 4G POC radios, and we add the UHF for assisting. So if you lost a 4G connection, the walkie-talkie, it can still talk under the UHF, but it is assisting function, okay, when we lost 4G. The SIM card, guys, we offer to you, it is a global SIM. It covers 174 countries. So if you use this walkie-talkie to talk and you use the SIM card, you can achieve the 174 countries free call with your group members, with your team members. No matter where they go, as long as they can get the 4G signal, they can get the 4G mobile phone signal, the walkie-talkie, it will work. Okay, and there's no monthly fee, no subscription fee. Our technology, they are based on the 4G cellular tower or the 4G reception. Here is the global-ptt servers. We have the servers actually all over the world. We have the servers in North American, South American, Australian, Africa, Middle East. That's why we can achieve the international call. Our technology is push-to-talk over the cellular network, and we are POC walkie-talkie manufacturer. Guys, if you are just looking for a supplier, you can search global-ptt. You will find us. When you search global-ptt, the global and ptt in the middle, there is a short line. Global short line PTT, that is us. Okay, global-ptt, that is us. And you can check our brand at the back. Global-ptt, that is our brand. With the global-ptt logo, that is our shop. Okay, if you order the radios from our shop, you will get the same service from global-ptt. We have the savers all over the world. It's global savers. That's why you can achieve the global call, and no matter where you go, you can use it to talk. Today, I introduced three latest designed produced radios. The first one is 5288 Plus model, and the second is G8 Plus model. The last one I'm going to show in our live for the newly designed radio. It will be G6 Plus model. I'm going to show the G6 Plus. Okay, and if you don't know which one to choose, you can tell me how you're going to use this walkie-talkie or what you're going to use this walkie-talkie for, so I can give you my suggestion. Now let me show you this one, the G6 Plus model. The G6 Plus model, it is a single mode 4G pulse radios, and it is made from metal. We add SOS function and a GPS function on it.
Welcome to the A2
Please. Add SOS and the GPS function on it. Compared to the ABS materials one, the metal radios, it has a better and clear, loud voice. The one on my head, it is a green color. We have the silver color, green color, and the black color. Silver color is the color I love best. Yeah, here is the green color. The green color metal radius is quite fashionable, and when I hold it on my hand, okay, one press, I press the PTT button, I can send a message out. Just one click or just one press, we can send the message out to the other team members. Okay, and when we talk to them, there is no distance limit. And you can check there is one antenna. The antenna, it is just a removable antenna. Okay, it's just a removable antenna. But after we remove this antenna, the radio, it will lose 4G. Okay, and then we press the menu button. We can choose the menu, go to the member. Okay, go to the member, and which member you want to talk into, you can just choose a member and talk to the member. We can choose a member to make a single call to the member. Does the light green one beep too? Yes, the light green one beep. This one you mean? This one is the link number. This one is the 528 Plus model. Yeah, when you press it, it's beep 2, and it is a 3 standby. This one is 1 standby. It's global-ptt POC only. This is global-ptt, UHF, and VHF. It is a 3 standby. This is 1 standby. They are different models. Okay, this one's in link number 13. This one is in number 5. They are different. Link in different link. For the two radios, we can join them in the same group. We can join them in the same private channel in the global-ptt one private channel, and then the two radios, they are compatible with each other. Okay. This is a 4G pulse radios, push-to-talk over the cellular network, and our technology, it is based on the 4G reception. If you have 4G reception, you can use it to talk worldwide, and if you don't have 4G reception, the big radio is just like a ham radio or GMRS radio, because it is good for only 20 kilometers distance range. Okay, 20 kilometers distance. And you can check here the second line. The second line here is VHF. The third line is UHF. It's global-ptt, VHF, and UHF. It is a 3 standby. Okay, and here is the black color. Two colors to choose: black color and green color. The small one is G5, G6 Plus. Okay, this is G6 Plus. G6 Plus is a single mode. It's much simple compared to the big one. The big one is 3 standby. The small one is 1 standby only. But we join them in the same company, in the same group, so the radios, they are compatible with each other. This is our global-ptt Silver IPS. You can check here. Global-ptt Silver IPS. We have the silvers in North American, in South American, in Middle East, in Asia country, in Australian. It's a net. It's not a single point. It's a net. That's why we can call from one country to another, to call from Middle East to Australian, to call from Asia country to South Africa. Okay, here is the global-ptt servers, and our technology, they are based on the 4G signal. If you don't have 4G signal, we can't call worldwide. Okay, so we must have the 4G reception for this walkie-talkie to connect to the cellular tower, and then the walkie-talkie can achieve the international call just between the team members. And we join them in the same group, in the same team. And here is our company account. Okay, here is our company account. You can check here. This is a company account. You can go to the user profile, and you can just check here. This is my group, and I have a group list, and we can create groups. If you are now already in the company, okay, we can create the groups. You can go to my user, and you can choose the user. Okay, you can just go to the user, choose the user, and then divide the user to different groups. And if you don't want the user be in your group, you can delete the user in your group. Okay, that's how can we manage our company. Okay, and here's my bonding records, and here's SOS records. If your video it has SOS function, we can use the SOS record here. And actually, this one, the 5288 Plus model, it has SOS, GPS, and it's a 3 standby. It is global-ptt, UHF, and VHF, and we add SOS and the GPS on it. Okay, we add SOS function and GPS function on it. So if you want to use it for your work, or you are first responder of the team, I think this walkie-talkie you can try. Okay, it's in link number 13. And then today, if you order directly from the live, I can offer you a free head mic. Okay, and now guys, this one is green color, and this is the black color. We add SOS, and how can we use the SOS function, or how can we operate, or what can we do with the SOS function? You can check here, guys. We tracking the location of the radios. Okay, we're tracking the location of the radios on the dispatcher. You can see here is a map. Here's map, and here's the alarm information. We can deal with it. Okay, just click the deal with. We can deal with it. And here's SOS record just through the map. Okay, here's a 528 plus. Okay, when we long press the SOS button, the SOS alarm it will be on, and we will notice the dispatcher, they will notice that the SOS alarm of the 528 plus it is on. It can dispatcher the other members come to the rescue for the 528 plus 1 model. Okay, and you can deal with it. Just click here, deal with. You can deal with it, and you can click here, fence. Okay, alarm information. This is the dispatcher, and here you can check there is a history record. So we can just check in the location of the walkie-talkie. It is now in link number 13, the 528 plus model. Guys, we're just attending the back to school deals. There's a discount. Okay, so if you like it, you can try it, try one or try one pair. If you try one only, guys, I'm going to join you to global-ptt 1 group, or I will join you to NYC-ptt group. Okay, join you to global-ptt 1 or NYC-ptt group. These two channels are our public channel for our client to talk. But actually, we suggest you build up your own channel. You build up your own company. And if you order 2 radios, we're going to build up your own company for you. And you can add more members. You can add more radios in your account, in your company. Okay, and here is the 528 plus. 528 plus is the newly designed 4G pulse radios, but it is a 3 standby. It works under the global-ptt mode, UHF analog, and VHF analog. Global-ptt, UHF, VHF. I want this for Christmas. What do you want this for Christmas for? Making friends? This is for communication. And this is for GPUs radios. It is for team communicate. You can talk to your team members, and you can, if you go out to travel during your holiday, you go out with your RV, I think you need it. And we do have a vehicle radio here. we do have a vehicle radio here. This one, this is a vehicle radio. It is V1 model. It's V1 model. It's vehicle radio. Yeah. It's now in link number 9. Okay, you can check the price for one is 209, and we are just attending the back to school sales, back to school deals. There's a discount, and you can check here. There's a hand mic is attached on the walkie-talkie. It's one package inside the package. Okay, and the antenna is just a removable antenna. There's SOS button on it. Long press SOS button, the SOS alarm it will be on. And long press the PTT button, the PTT message will send out. But we talk to the team members only. If we are not in the same team, we are not in the same group, we cannot talk each other. Okay. And here, guys, there's a power supply. Okay, we just connect directly on this walkie-talkie. It will work. Yeah, this is good for truck drivers, for taxi drivers. Okay, and you can also use it for your home, for your small car, because we changed the power supply. The old power supply for this one, it is a secret lighter. Okay, it is a secret lighter. For now, we changed it to USB type. This is the old version. We changed it to USB type, so it is more convenient for us to use for the daily daily use for our car, private car or family car user for this one, the V1 model. And you can check now the price is not expensive actually because we offer these radios, also the head mic. Also, the account is not only a single mode, a single radio. We include the account, the head mic, the company account for you. And you can join us, join Global PTT1 group, or you can just join NYCPT group, and you can talk to us when we are online or we have friends online. The two groups are we made it for testing for our clients. For your 16 radios, if you want to add more radios, you can share to us. We can add more radios for you. Now I'm going to show you. 看不了啊。Okay. Now you can see at the back there is a spinning pole. Okay, there's a spinning pole at the back. And you can see there are many radios on the spinning pole. Actually, the best seller on the spinning pole is 6500 model. Yes, it is PO radios. Global PTT PO radios, and those are all PO radios, but we add UHF and VHF for it. So if you lost 4G connection, it can still work. And guys, we are just looking for dealers. We are looking for distributors in our life. So if you are interested in become our dealer, you want to become our distributor, you can talk to me, or you can send a message to our customer service in the shop. We will answer your questions, and we will you can also make an appointment with us to visit our factory. And you can check, there's a video here. Just keep playing. Can you see here? There's a video here, keep playing. That is the part of our factory. Actually, we have for now 4 factory, and we have visitors come to our factory and come to visit us. If you want to visit our factory, please come to me, or you can make an appointment with me. I will just show you around. But we only offer it for our dealers, okay, and for distributors, because we can provide product ODM and OEM. Now, guys, I'm going to pass the V1 module and show another popular items from Global PTT. We almost finished our live, guys. 约了3块面盒的，现在多长时间了？过多久了？下去吧，不继续说了。Okay, we will just go on the live. I will go on the live to show the 528 Plus model. Okay, this is the 528 Plus. It is a green color. There are 2 colors to choose actually, green color and black color, and it is now very popular. Yeah, very popular. You remember, if you are our old client, you will notice that there is a green and black color 5280 model. And this one in my head, it is the plus. It is a Radio Pro. It is upgrade one. POC Radio Pro Global Walkie-Talkie. Okay, POC Radio Pro Global Walkie-Talkie. And our brand is global-ptt. When you search global walkie-talkie, please remember global, there's a short line, PTT. That is us. The other brand is not us. Okay, global-ptt. That is our brand. The other brand is not from us. Okay, this is a brand directly from global-ptt walkie-talkie factory. And then, guys, you can see at the back there is a logo. Yeah, that is a global-ptt logo. Yeah, if you find the global-ptt logo, you find us. I will just show how to program it and how to set the frequency on it. Okay, you can see here in the first line, it is global-ptt. Global-ptt working mode, we set the account in the system, in the global-ptt system. Okay, and the second line, it is VHF. The last line is UHF. Global-ptt, UHF, and VHF. Global-ptt working mode is set in the global-ptt system and it is fixed. Okay, and the second line, it is VHF. And the VHF analog mode, we program it. Actually, we program 13 channels only, but it is storage 256 channels. So we can go to the settings. Okay, we can go to the settings and check the channels. Mode selection. Okay, channel mode, channel 256 mode. This is the channels. We can set 256 channels. That's the channel, the working mode. Okay, and name mode. You set it in the same frequency. If you have another ham radio, and you can set the two radios in the same frequency. Okay, and then same time, the two radios are compatible with each other. Okay, let me show you here. Let me show you here the tone. How to set the tone? Go to the number 5, RX CT CSS. Go to the number 5. Okay, go to the number 5. You can set the tone. I want to set it in 67 Hertz. The tone is 67 Hertz. Okay, and this is RS tone. We need to set the TS tone too. Just set it. Okay, 67 Hertz. Set the two radios in the same tone, same frequency. Then the two radios are compatible with each other. If we set the frequency only, we don't set the tone, the radios are not compatible with each other. We need to set the tone and also set the frequency to enable the two radios compatible with each other. Okay, and then you can just check here. We go to the UHF analog mode, and the UHF frequency is 450. 125.00. I want to set it in frequency 450 125.00, and we set the TS frequency and the RS frequency. Okay, RS frequency and TS frequency. You can set the tone on it. We set the frequency and set the tone. If the two radios are in the same frequency, same tone, then we can use it to talk each other. I just set the frequency 450. 那个是运营的，那个刚刚简单填一下啊，没事，简单填一下啊。Okay, this is the frequency that I set is 450 125.00. Now I going to set this one. Okay, 450. Set it in the same frequency 450 125.00. Yeah, that is frequency on this walkie-talkie. Now I gonna set the tone 2 because we need to set the tone 2 to enable this walkie-talkie can talk each other, because now they are different model. Okay, CTCSS tone 67. Okay, this is the RS tone, and the TS tone CTCSS 67. This is a TS tone. Okay, and press the PTT button. We'll message out. Now the two radios are in the same frequency and same tone. Okay, we can use it to talk each other. One is sending, the other is speaking. One is sending, the other is speaking. That is how to set the frequency and the tone, guys. If you don't know how to set it, you can come to the customer service and inquiry it from the customer service. You can check the link number 11. It is a pack for 4. Okay, for 4 radios for SIM card, the price is 820. If you want to buy one only, you can check the other link. The link for one radio. The link for one radio, it is the link for one radio, it is now in number 14. It's in link number 14. Okay, you can try one. I can join you here in global PTT one group. Link number 14 is the link for one. I can join you in global PTT one group, or I can join you to NYC PTT group, and then you can just talk to the group members. Okay, in those groups to test your radios. We give a 30 days free return. Okay, but if you want to return this radio, guys, you need to make sure that the radio is in good, that can be resale condition. If they're not in a good, that can be resale condition, we can't refund. Okay, that is the return and the refund policy. Okay, and next, guys, I'm going to show another newly designed 4 GPU radios, the G6 Plus model. Okay, another one. This is the G6 Plus model. The G6 Plus model, it works great, and it's newly designed metal radios. Can you see the screen clear? It's newly designed metal radios, and press PTT button, we can send the message out. Okay, and we can choose a member, choose a single member to make a single call to the member. Okay, and then come to the member, which member you want to talking to. Okay, choose a member and talk to the member. Press the PTT button, then we can send the message. And then here, there is the earpiece. You can connect the earpiece, you can connect the headset, and then it will talk. You can check number 5, guys. The selling price for one pair for 2 radios with the same card is $349. Okay, without SOS and the GPS function. If you want SOS and the GPS function, you can check it. But I can offer you a free head mic, or if you need the head mic. If you don't need the head mic, here is the earpiece. For all the videos here we show in our live, we offer you the free earpiece headset. Okay, this is the earpiece headset. We offer the earpiece headset for you for free. Okay, so if you like it, you order it in the live, we can offer you those accessories as a free gift. This is the G6 Plus model. It's newly designed for GPU radios, and it is made from metal. If you want a metal radios, I suggest you can try this one. We add SOS and the GPS function on it. Okay, the other metal radios no SOS and the GPS. This one is the first and only metal radios from Global PTT with SOS and the GPS. Okay, and press the PTT button, we can send the message out. We can send the message out to the big one. Okay, we can send a message out to the other small ones. Okay, because we join them in the same group. Global PTT private channel is totally private. Okay, we can't talk to someone not in our group. We cannot talk to someone not in our channel. How to join radios? How to join new radios in your private channel? First, we come to the member. Okay, we go to the man, and you will see there's a 15-digit number. The 15-digit number, that is IMEI of the radio. Okay, and by adding the IMEI in the global PTT system, you can register this radio in the global PTT system. We will offer you the company account, so you can use the company account to manage the radio just by yourself. You can see here, this is the company account. Okay, actually, this is my company account. I have 18 groups in my account, and my user, it is 59 user. Okay, and there's a group list and create groups. You can create your own groups. Actually, with company account, we can delete radios just by ourselves. Okay, this is the company account. We offer you the company manager's account to manage the radios just by yourself. Compared to the other seller, we don't charge an annual fee. The white radio, sure. The white on the spinning part. The white radio on the spinning port, it is an NH model. 白色的，Do you mean this one? This one's a single mode, but it works great. I don't put the link in the shop. If you want to order it, you can pay PayPal to order. Okay, you can see here there are 16-digit number. This one's also a global band 1, clear and loud voice. Okay, it is a single mode. Press the PTT button, you can send a message. Actually, there are 2 colors. We also have a black color for this one. I'm going to show you. This is a white one. Many ladies, they like it. The ladies like it very much. Okay. There's a large mic and speaker. I have a black color. I will show you the black color too. Okay, 2 colors to choose for this one. It is an N8 model. Okay, going to show you this one. Yeah, this is an 8 model. Yeah, here is the black color and white color. Yeah, the size is not so big compared for you. This is the big one, 528 plus. This is the N8 model. N8 model has a very clear, loud voice. I'm going to turn the radio on and check the voice. Any discount for the white one if I have bought 6 of the last time? I can offer you a discount, 20% discount. 20% discount. Huh? Okay. There's no SIM card, I think. Let me open it. This one's clear and a loud voice. The selling price for it is 250. 250. Okay. There's a SIM card, but it not entered into the group. White color and black color. Yeah. If you don't want the discount, I can offer you one more for free. Okay. Here is the N8 model. The 8 model, 2 colors, clear and loud voice. I just go somewhere to search the 4G signal, and then later on, if it enters into the group, I will test it for you. Okay. SIM card 不行了。It's okay. But I don't put the link, so if you want to order, you need to pay PayPal directly. Yeah. There's no 4G signal for this one. I think the SIM card just expired. Yeah, the SIM card expired. When we start the radio on, there's a global-ptt logo. Here's a QR code. Let me check if it has a menu. Okay, here is the menu. There's no 4G. The SIM card not working. This is the menu. It is a very simple one.
9.
Okay.
Number. Clock. Number. 13. 9.
To go from
13.
group to single user.
Member.
Yes, you can choose member. Yeah, because now no 4G signal. Here's group, and you can go to the member. You can choose a single member. Press this button. Press the PTT button. Enter. It's much simple. I will show you a similar one. Okay, this one's just similar like this one. It's easy. It's not very hard. It's just like this one. We can choose the member.
Member.
Go to the member. Okay, just like this one. Press the menu button. Okay, press the PTT button. Entered. Okay, entered. That now you are just in a temporary group with the other member. Okay. Yeah, this is choose to make a single code. Just a very similar design. Just mark it, choose this one, press PTT button, then you can enter. How much each for the white one? You mean after discount For one, the price with the same card is 125, but I can offer you discount if you buy a pack of 6. I need to compute later on after I finish the live. Okay, 250 times 3, and then 20% off for you because you are old client. Okay, we offer discount for you, and we can join you to the company account. 我刚才应该填好了，你过去看一下，然后问一下他吧。再播2分钟下播吧。OK， 125的，对，跟 Doris 一样的。125 for one with the same card, but I can offer a 20% off for a pack of 6. Yeah, that is a promo. Yes, okay, no problem. You can follow me and send me a message later on after I finish the live. I almost finished the live, just the last 3 minutes. Okay. Hi, new friend. Welcome to our live. I'm gonna to pass it. This one's an 8 model. 8 model actually it has a good 4G reception. We ship worldwide. We're just doing a worldwide business. We do business to American. We also do business to the other country. Yeah, we are but for our American shop now we're just attending the back to school sales. So there will be a discount back to school sales. There will be a discount if you ordered directly from the shop. You will get a ticket coupon. Yeah, the price will be lower. 好像在我那边吧，我那天还看到还在我那个电脑包下面压着吧。I have work partner. You want to use this walkie-talkie for your business? This is a global band 4G radios reverse under the 4G signal, 4G reception. And if you don't have 4G reception, it will not work globally. And for this small one, if you don't have 4G reception, it will totally not work anymore. Yeah, this is a radio based on the 4G signal. And here is the cellular. Here is the global-ptt servers. Okay, we have the global-ptt server IPS. You can check here. The global-ptt server IPS. You can see. We have the servers in North American, South American. Okay, and then Australian, Middle East, Asia country, Africa. It's just like a net. Okay, it's not only one point or one village or one city. It is worldwide. So when you use this walkie-talkie to talk, especially if you have an international business, you can achieve the worldwide call with your team members. And we don't charge a monthly fee. We don't charge a subscription fee. What you pay or what you pay is the radio only. You can use our platform for lifetime free. For the same card, guys, you need to renew it every year. You need to renew the SIM card every year or just buy new SIM every year. The new SIM card is $35 per year per SIM. This one is good for commercial use, especially if you have a cross-border of the team and you use it for long distance. It's not 5 kilometers, 50 kilometers. It's more than 5,000 miles range. But only talk to your team members. Okay, only talk to your team members, only in your private channel. You don't need to worry that the other members they're gonna come to you and they talk to you. It is not possible. Only until you join them to your group, to your channel, they can talk to you. This is the global-ptt 4G radios. How does them work? And why you gonna to choose global-ptt? Because we are the manufacturer, we are not a dealer, okay, or agent. We are the manufacturer. Starting from we research and develop this radio, all the procedure we do them by ourselves. So what parts or where it has problems, you can come to us. For example, your antenna is broken, we can help you fix antenna. Your battery is not working well, you can buy a spare battery from us. Okay, and all the parts we have for CO2. So you can save your money because you can repair it and you can use it for many years. The price for this big one, okay, is it's good price for now because we're just attending the back to school sales. There will be a discount. You can claim the coupon, use the coupon, and order it. And guys, I will finish the live in last 2 minutes. I will do the overlook for the radios I show in today's live. The first one I show is the 528 Plus model. Okay, and the second one is the G8 Plus model. This is a G8 Plus model. Okay, the G8 Plus model, it is the worldwide global band 4G radios with UHF analog. And then the G6 Plus model, which is a newly designed 4G pulse radios, and then the N8 Plus model. This is the N8 Plus model. Okay, N8 Plus model, the price is good, and I highly recommend because it is a global band, clear and loud voice. Okay, thank you so much for coming for today. I'm gonna to finish the live. Okay, and 1930 Max, are you still here? Please send me a message after I finish the live. Okay, bye bye. Thank you so much, guys. Bye bye.